streaming. Say hello, good morning to YouTube. What's going on, everybody? Bullish Bears Kevin here. Some trade plans, some live trades with you guys. Right now I'm watching the NASDAQ. Definitely sort of waiting on us to come back to this area of interest for some long positions. Really do want to target that supply zone up there. So let's save this. No, not download image. Where'd that go? Copy image. Send it out to the community. And Q. What do we got? 30 seconds to 50 seconds till market opens. Hope everybody is doing well today. Got a bit of a rising wedge on ES. This is the 30 minutes, alright? So maybe look for a short position up here, right? Because I am expecting a pullback anyways. So I might look for a short position up here, stop loss up there. And maybe we'll target this area of interest, right? Nice little 3-to-1 risk to reward right there. So that's a trade setup I'll be looking for. Just out the gate, you know, when market opens. If we pop up and fail to break above this level, I'm going to grab some shorts. And I'm going to have a really tight stop loss on them. Because then I could have a really good risk to reward on that trade. And just have a really tight stop loss. When you have a tight stop loss on a trade and the probability is a little in your favor, you definitely want to take that. Again, as long as we're following the stop, there is market open. Let's see what we get. Does look like the market does want to give us a little push higher here, just based off of market structure. Check that 5-minute, what's going on. Again, had this rising wedge into supply. See if bears want to step in. NASDAQ, I wanted to be patient till we came down here, and I wanted some long positions. Let's see, equities opened, gapped up on equities. Apple with the gap and go about 70 cents right out the gate, which is going to help the NASDAQ stay strong. Same with NVIDIA, had a big, strong gap, $4 gap. Equities gapped up, guys. Definitely take note of that. Definitely be aware of that. Let's see. Let's see. So I'm staying patient. You guys know my drill. Stay patient, wait for the setups. Well, I'm waiting. I'd consider scalping long. Apples keep popping up. 90 cents from market open plus the gap up. That's what's bringing NASDAQ higher. Watching ES to see if any weakness wants to prevail up here somewhere. Again, though, keeping an eye on what the daily looks like. Daily is very green. I mean, look how bullish this is. It's hard to short something that strong. However, if we did switch, that would be trapping a lot of bulls. So we have to remember that too. When bulls are trapped, got to remember, where's the pain zone? Nice pop. Just waiting. Waiting. We do have Apple in a supply zone. I want to see if this is a new supply zone. Like, have we used this before? Yeah, so we've broken it before. However, this is an area where sellers have stepped in, right? So I want to see if we could close above, right above 192.39 on Apple. If we could close above that price on Apple, then I'm really going to be expecting the bulls to just continue a strong trend on NASDAQ and ES. However, if we start to fail here on Apple, then I'll expect bulls to be trapped on NASDAQ and ES. So again, really just, yo, good morning. What's going on, Godo? Always good to be here, man. Bulls are taking control. I used to have, yeah, I used to have everything on TOS. Like I still even have like the futures on TOS too, and it's the time where time and sales is. TradingView does not offer any in-depth of market time and sales volume analysis like that. It does have volume on the lower and the volume profile, but just nothing as clean as TOS does when it comes to just what it offers. But yeah, no, that's just, you know what it is? That's where my charts have been for equities. And I guess, yeah, it's just easier. And I do like always having TOS available. If I wanted to, I could transfer all my levels to over here to, to TradingView. That way everything's the same. But we'll see. Alright, I'm definitely considering a short position up here on ES with a super tight stop loss because of how trapped the buyers would be, but I'm not going to jump the gun yet. I do want to see if we can push a bit higher towards the top of the supply zone. Same with, look at that, look at that. Wow. NASDAQ don't care. 50 seconds left. Finally getting a little selling pressure on equities. I'm watching ES right now. It's the 1 minute looking like. 1 minute looks like it just wants to fly. Definitely thinking of grabbing a short position here. But again, a very light position because it would be about a 2 point stop. But I don't really have much confirmation for this short. I'll go in super light right there, guys. Stop loss is going to be at the highs. But again, bulls have just been too strong. So when I say light, very light. Like, actually, I don't want to say I'm expecting to stop out of this trade. But with how strong bulls have been, I'm not expecting this trade to play out. Nice. Yeah, again, equity's just too strong. Apple's trying to pop, but it's having some trouble at this area right now. So if bears did want to step in, Nasdaq's too strong though. Pumping away. There we go. Apple with some weakness. Come on, equities. Equities trying to stay green. Yeah, bulls are definitely too strong here. I'm in a very light short position, but again, my stop loss is about 2 points up. Most likely gonna stop out. Yeah, I'm gonna stop out right there. There's really no reason. It's not filling my stop. That's okay. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna stop out of that. I'm gonna manually stop out. I don't know why I wasn't filling my stop. But I'm just gonna keep an eye because now we are coming up to the 6 hour supply zone on NASDAQ. Expecting some type of pullback. I did mention when market opened that it did look like we wanted to pop based off of the 30-minute market structure, and that's exactly what we got. Could have taken that, really. Let's see. Could have just done this. Took a nice little 3-to-1 on that, but that's alright. That's alright. A little hindsight, right? So hindsight's always 20/20. Stay a little patient. Just wait. See if NASDAQ wants to give us a bit of a pop. Maybe the short trade should be NASDAQ at the supply zone. So again, just a matter of being patient, not jumping the gun, not going in too heavy, just trade appropriately accordingly. Just don't force any trades. I just tried to force a short. What happened? It wicked around, stopped me out. It was not the right entry. So I'm just going to stay patient now. Right now, that short would have been working. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. You know, it's not something I would ever be disappointed in or upset about. When we trade, we have to disconnect our emotions and just take it one trade at a time. Take every trade like it's a new trade, because every trade has nothing to do with the last trade we took. We have to remember that. Yeah, Apple with that rejection at this area right now. So I'm definitely considering a short on NASDAQ if it wants to pop into that 6 hour supply zone. Oh, we got NVIDIA with a bit of a strong push. Tesla's at a trend line. There's a pop. There's a pop. All right, let's see. I'll let you guys know when or if I go short on NASDAQ. Really might wait though, because if we just blow right through the supply zone, then I don't think it's gonna work out. Yeah. That's why we don't jump the gun. We just wait. Now I'm gonna grab a short position on NASDAQ. Again, very tight stop loss because it is counter trend trading. Um, again, I'm just again going very light, very light. Apple's at an area of interest. We're at a supply zone on NASDAQ. We're at the top of an area on ES. We just broke out of the top of this rising wedge, which maybe could have been a fake out before we go lower. So yeah, I'm in these NASDAQ shorts right now. 16203 was my entry. Really need Apple to start pushing lower though. If Apple does not push lower, this short trade will not work out whatsoever. Apple's currently struggling, but it is trying to pick up volume. Ah, thank you. Damn it, but thank you. Appreciate the heads up. Be careful with VIX climbing. Oh, VIX. Why did I think VWAP when you said VIX? I don't know why. But good. Let VIX climb. We want VIX to go higher. Want bears to step in. There we go. A little rejection on Apple right now. So far, good entry on that NASDAQ short. Nice. Really good entry on that. I'm going to add to that short position if we get a little bit of a push higher. All right, now bat it down. If it doesn't bat it, I'm going to add there, adding to the short position. All right, guys, let's see if bears want to take it. Definitely a little too heavy on this short position, I feel. Stop loss at this previous candle's high. Target's going to be like VWAP. Nice. Come on, let's trap those bulls. It's sell-off time, baby. Woke up this morning, yeah, got yourself a gun, yeah, got yourself a gun. There we go, Apple, let's go, Bears. Let's get it. Microsoft's selling off pretty strong right now. That's what's helping this push lower. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Bears. Come on, Apple. We need you to start ripping lower. If Apple could start ripping lower, guys, we're in for a really nice push. However, if Apple holds, it's going to be tough. We do have my Meta at a key level too. Thinking of scaling out of one contract here just to lock in some gains and make this a no-lose trade. However, I'm not going to do that. Let it bounce around. That's fine with me. Just really need Apple lower, but it's holding a key level right now, which I really don't like. Oh, and that key level lines up with VWAP. Yeah, huge not a fan of that. Going to look to scale out of a contract of NASDAQ at the bottom of this current 5-minute candle. Because of where Apple's holding. But if we drop, it's at a key level too. I don't know. Bulls have just been so strong. Maybe I won't. I'll just keep my stop loss right up here. Tight stops. Yeah, there's Apple with a little bit of strength trying to pop right now. Wait and see. Microsoft the Meta popping. Not good. Careful on these bears. Apple strong. There we go. Bit of rejection on Nvidia and Tesla. Tesla near new high a day though. Rejecting. Equity's trying to stay strong. Oh man. They're not giving up. They definitely ain't giving it up that easy at all on these shorts, man. That's because bulls have just been too strong. Can't help but keep looking at that daily. Silly to short up here, to be honest, without it being a scalp. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna scale out of a contract. Oh wait, Apple with that rejection. Hold up. But then again, it really makes me think too, though. Everybody who's long right now, if we were to sell off, the amount of people that would be trapped or underwater or having to sell their or stop out, just all of that, you know. Feel like that could fuel a really strong push lower and a quick push lower, and I really want the liquidity down here to be grabbed. So, and that's about far, far away. 70, 80 points. I mean, that would be huge. I'd like that. I'm waiting on this candle to close. We got 50 seconds left. I want this candle to close red and below the previous candle close. If it doesn't, I'll probably stop out. VIX has been choppy. Still failing to go lower. Oh, there we go. Tesla and Nvidia, some weakness. I like that. Let's see if we were just waiting for the last 25 seconds of this candle to finally give us a bit of a push. It's going to push higher. We got 9 seconds. Really need this drop right here. Not giving it to us. 3 seconds. Not getting the drop. Yeah, really, that's more of a rally-based rally in my opinion. But we'll wait and see. But not a fan of that. Staying patient. Apple also sort of chopping around. Microsoft's looking weak. Meta's looking weak, but holding a key level. Whole lot of inconsistency in the equities right now. I'm staying patient on these shorts. We'll see if maybe we double top at supply. Come on, Apple. Go, baby, go. There we go. Apple, little push lower. Tiny push. Tiny nothing push. And pop back up. Yeah, guys, I'm not liking these shorts at all. Really need Apple to drop. Microsoft's popping. Microsoft's popping. Meta needs to drop, but it's being held by a key level too. Yo, good morning. Alright, there's some Microsoft weakness. What's going on, man? What's up? Yeah, that's better. This is my entry point. Because I doubled down. Apple looks like it wants to pop. That really makes me want to reverse these longs on NASDAQ. But if Apple fails, we're just dropping. I don't know, guys. This is a tough call. I'm gonna go with being patient. Come on, Apple, drop that. Nvidia popping though. If Tesla starts popping, I'll reverse this. Equities are just chopping around here. Market doesn't really have a direction. It's having trouble going lower. It's having trouble going higher. Oh, there's an Apple pop. Reversing that. In longs, equities are strong. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Oh, that's right. I said double top up there. Duh. Give me one more pop. Apple does look like it's ready to soar, though. We got a minute 38 left. I'm going to stay patient, because if bulls want to take control here and just pop us, we're going to continue higher. ES made a new high today. Come on, Apple. Come on, Apple. I'm finally ready for you to go long. It's time. Oh, Apple's struggling. Should have stayed on those shorts, to be honest. Because we're struggling at this supply zone. Here goes Apple with a pop. If this doesn't drive us higher, then we're getting out of this immediately. Come on, Apple. Thank you. Thank you, sir. There we go, Apple. Pop on Apple. NASDAQ does not care. I'm, again, sort of considering reversing this and going back short, because these longs ain't doing it. Yeah, let's take a step back in those shorts, guys. Really tight stop loss. Stop right at the highs. That looks like the spot to enter. Might want to add to this. I like that weakness now. But stay patient, stay patient. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Stay patient. Nice Apple drop. Come on, Apple, keep it going. Drop, baby, drop. Drop, baby, drop. Drop, baby, drop. Let's go, Apple, drop. Go, go, go. Bulls are going to come back in. I'm going to trim one contract down here. I don't know. I feel like if bears do want to flush it, we're gone. There we go. Nice flush. There we go. There we go. Good push. Good push. People hitting that stop out button. People stopping out of their positions, right? Let's see if that's going to fuel us a bit lower. Bouncing around. Bouncing around. Equities don't want to continue lower. NASDAQ doesn't want to continue lower. What Fed speaks at 10? Waller? Richmond Barton. Got you. Yeah. Right. True that, true that. If it gives us one more drop, I'll scale out of one contract. And yeah. I'll hold the other one. I'll try to hold the other one through the news. I'm liking the higher time frame to push this lower to create a supply zone, but there go equities, not giving up. Chopping around up here all morning. Ooh, yes, with the pop. NASDAQ trying to go lower while ES just made a new high today. Does ES know something NASDAQ doesn't? Come on, baby. Give it to me. Give me that drop. Let me make this a good month. Nope, failing. Want, want. Minute 14 left. I'm gonna try to let this candle close. What time is it? So we got 7 minutes till that Fed speaks. Pops on ES. NASDAQ's not. Jinxed it. There goes NASDAQ. Staying patient. Maybe it'll give us a hangman candle and that'll be the sell-off. I'll just keep waiting for the sell-off. Stop loss is high a day on NASDAQ. Microsoft's weak right here. Meta's been pretty weak. Tesla new high a day. Nvidia new high a day. Staying in these bears. Apple trying to push back up. Looks like a rally-based rally. Patience. Nope. Nice. Alright, there's a key level on ES. NASDAQ's still struggling. I'm not reversing it. If anything, I would stop out of the short, but I'm just staying patient right now. But I don't want to hold it through news. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely not what I want to do. And it looks like it should be a rally-based rally, which means we should break higher. Yeah. But now we're rejecting that level again. Bro, my back's hurting. I need my kidney medicine. Alright, let's see. I want us to reject this level still on NASDAQ. And this key level on ES. Now I'm more confident in this zone. We have more things lining up. We have a key level on ES. We have the supply zone on NASDAQ. We just need VIX to start trying to go higher. Apple with some selling pressure. Equity's still trying to hold up though. Staying patient on these shorts. Apple selling off. Meta selling off. Rejected its key levels, trying to push lower. Look at equities. Go, equities, go. Down the drain you go. What was that? Oh, why? Who? Somebody saying something? Oh, maybe Ricardo? Or do you hear the TV in the background? You might hear the TV in the background from my side. Let me lower my gain a little bit. Is that better? All right. Ma, turn the TV off. I'm trading. I had a wild good day yesterday. I opened a few new Apex accounts because they were still on sale. Yesterday was the last day of the sale. and I just slaughtered a bunch of 50K accounts. The goal on them's 3K. I did 1K on like half of them. On different trades too. It was crazy. All right, Bears, we're ready now. Bears are like, nah, I'm not. I'm gonna look to scale out of a contract down there. I really don't want to. I really feel like I've been holding so long. Why not just be patient? You know, like if I've been holding so long, let the trade play out. But again, news in a minute. I don't want to get steamrolled on this account. Guess it's a risk I'm gonna have to take. Buy stop. Buy stop. Yeah, I mean, we've also been chopping around up here, which means we're grabbing liquidity from the supply zone, making it weaker because we're failing to sell off from it. So I suppose 30 seconds left. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. I mean, Meta's been just pushing lower, new low a day on Meta. Tesla's some weakness too. I do like the equity weakness. Just need some follow through. It's got 0 follow through. Let's keep trying to chop back higher. Yeah, I'm gonna try to play it safe. Scale out of one contract. I feel like they're gonna talk. It's not gonna do much on us. But it did. Just wait. Just waiting. Apple still is holding like a key area right now, though, above VWAP. Really need equities to dump, but they're not. VIX trying to pop, but it's failing. Do like ES rejecting that key level that it's at right now, but there's some bull strength. Stop loss is at high a day on NASDAQ. Still in these shorts. Apple with some weakness. Come on, Apple. Sell off. Rip down, Apple. If we could get a rip your face off candle, guys, we're talking shmoney on this trade. But right now, it's just not looking good. It's really not. 30 minutes. It's just not looking good at all. Again, stop loss at the highs. My entry point was about there. Looking at a 9-to-1. Yeah, here comes some bulls. But then here comes some bears, and here comes some bulls, and here comes some bear. Apple with the pop. Be careful. Equity's staying a little weak, though. Yeah, I guess that speaker didn't really do much yet. Maybe yet, you know. Gotta give it a little time. I'm staying patient. I'm still in these trades, still in these shorts. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go, equities. Jump off the equity. Ha ha ha. Nice. Alright, a little bit of a push. Not jumping the gun. We're staying patient. VWAP's all the way down here. Let's try to let these ride. Nice. Apple, some weakness. Yo, what was that? Ooh, let's go. Holy shoot. Holy cow, guys. Holy shoot. Alright, come near my take profit one. Bam, right through that. Oh my god. Okay. I'm getting all out of that trade right there, guys. I gotta exit. That was a huge. Great. Oh my god. Guys. Fantastic. Holy cow. Even though that was only. Was that? Yo, let's go. Good job. Guys, fantastic job, everybody. So proud. It is, but because of how fast we had that single drop, it made me second guess the fact that we have 50 seconds left and we could wick back up. So because we got such a strong, quick move, you gotta remember the term exit into strength, right? So whether you're trading options, futures too sometimes, Microsoft New Low Day, yeah, we might continue. And if we do continue, I'll look for another area to enter. But I had to lock in those gains. Just had to. It still made it a not a 9-1, but still made it a 3-1 risk to reward trade. If I had more contracts, I would have, but I got chopped up a little bit. If I was, you know what it was too? I should have been more patient for this key level being rejected on ES. Whenever I have multiple confirmations on NASDAQ, ES, and VIX, the trade goes really, really, really well. That's crazy. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. That's alright, I'll just look for another spot to enter. I'm getting in right there. Let's try it. Let's see if it's got one more run. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yo, I don't know why my buy limits take so long to push through now. Oh my god. Guys. Alright, I'm all out of that now too. That's that. Mind blown. Guys, I'm glad we're catching this live today. Holy cow. That's crazy. What's that? Hold up, you're super low. I'm sorry, man. All good, Brody. All good. Yo, that was dope. That was super dope. That was. I'm glad I was trading my price action, my funded account on that. That was 1,000 on that. A band today. Let's go, ladies and gents. Let's go. Now we wait. It hit VWAP. We wait. Apple's still selling off. It looks like we might want to continue. That'd be crazy if we do. You know, I don't. I don't. My thought with the whole having multiple Apex accounts is the copy trader's great and all, especially for like psychological factors. Like if you're used to hitting 500 a day, losing 200 a day, that's great. But whenever you go up to making 1,000 and losing 400, you can't do that for whatever reason. So it's good in that sense. My thoughts on the funded accounts and stuff is why not pass an eval, get funded, right? Okay. Pass another one, get another one funded. Okay. Pass another one, get another one funded. Okay. Now you have multiple funded accounts that you could trade differently on each account. You could say, okay, I'm going to trade this account with NASDAQ contracts. I'm going to trade this account with micro contracts. I'm going to trade this account with ES contracts. I'm going to trade this account when we're trending. I'm going to trade this account when we're ranging. I'm going to trade this account when I want to size down because I've been in a losing streak. And you could really take it to your advantage because once you pass it and get funded, you pay that one-time lifetime fee, and that funded account is yours as long as you don't blow it. So that's sort of my thought. A little bit of a tip and trick on those Apex accounts. I hope you guys caught some of that Nasdaq drop because oh my goodness, and the fact that it's still going too, definitely kicking myself a bit on that. But damn. I ain't complaining over 1,000. But I mean, that 2 would have been nice. It was like a rounding top at supply, ES key level, VIX started popping. What a trade. Those are the trades, guys. We got to make those trades really, 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 really surpass our losing trades. It's our winners, exit our losers. Huge. Yo, YouTube guys, I hope you guys caught that too. Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment. Don't forget, check us out, bullishbears.com. Join our community. We live stream to our community every day. And yeah, definitely a good place to learn. Good place to make some money. Trade with other traders. It's super dope. Take some nice trades as we see this morning. Holy cow. This thing might push down a little more for that. Look at that, guys. It's going to hit that key, that 30 minute. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. That's insane. That's like wildly insane. Give us one more drop. I'll scalp that lower. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. That is crazy, guys. What is this? What is this market right now? Oh my goodness. Boom. Just scalp that to now I'm out. That's just money on money today. Money on money on money today, guys. Now the question is, do we go long? You know, it's funny. You read my mind, but I'm gonna go with no on that, man. I don't think so. These bears have been insane. Oh, but you know what? This would be the perfect spot for us to reverse trap in a bunch of bears. Stop loss literally a few points away. Might take this trade for shits and giggles. But it's all shits and giggles till someone giggles and shits. Nah, bears are too strong right now. I'm not gonna trade against it. Already had some fire trades today. Yeah, no reason to keep going. Go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 1100 on the day. Let's go. Hope you guys are doing good too. All done? Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Love to hear it too. When the team eats, everybody eats. I'll tell you what. An Apex account that's actually almost blown because I screwed up on it. I'll take longs on that Apex account. So if we want to reverse here, great. If we don't, good. I'm done with this account because it's done anyways. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Like if you had multiple accounts, or yeah, it stopped me out of that. That's funny. Um, yeah, if you had like multiple accounts, so like some people are like, oh well, you know, if I get 4 Apex accounts and I go long on 2 of them and short on 2 of them, and then pass 2 of them, right, and the other 2 fail, and then I have 2 funded accounts. Can't I just go long on one of them, short on one of them, and then just cash out on that one? And when you think about it, you can, right? Like that makes sense that you would, I guess, be able to do that. However, they're gonna see it. They have their rules for a reason. They don't want us playing gambling. They don't want us playing casino at their trading facility. You know what I'm saying? They don't want that at all. Alright, so let's see. I mean, you know, it's funny, I stopped out of those lungs on that one account, but I'm really considering grabbing lungs depending on how this candle closes. What's it do? Definitely depending on how this candle closes, I'm gonna grab some longs. See if we trap people. It's a trap. I wanted down here for long positions on NASDAQ. Remember, guys, in the morning pre-market plan, I really wanted this area down here for some longs. So if we keep pushing, that's cool. I want us to keep pushing. Any 30 minutes, any 15 minutes. Nada, nada, enchilada. We did have this rising wedge. We faked out of it, rejected key level, pushed lower. That also would have been a fantastic trade setup on ES for about 15 points and counting. Oh, that's dope. People on YouTube. Look how cool this is. It's Apple Music, but it's got like, it makes the album move. You gotta keep yourself distracted sometimes when you trade too, guys, because trading could, when you're just sitting there watching the screen, that's when revenge trading and over trading really kick in. Because if you're just sitting here watching the screen, the candles know how to move to make it look like it's got a good setup. So you're gonna end up getting into something that you shouldn't be getting into. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Oh, good agreeance, everybody. Fantastic work. All right, we got 5 seconds on this candle. If it closes above this zone, I'll take it. And it didn't. Goodbye. Going lower. Not taking it lower, though. Oh, this zone down here? Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be my milk and honey. Let's see, D1. Got a demand zone on ES. Not much demand on NASDAQ over there, which is okay, because we do have, remember this, so this is an area of interest I'm watching, and then this is a demand zone I'm watching. So now I have my two areas that I want us to line up and hold on ES and NASDAQ. Here we are, coming into that zone. Now I want ES into here, so I'm not going to jump into NASDAQ because it's touching the zone. I originally wanted to get into the trade down here. So let's see if we can play both sides. I know that's that stuff that Chief Keef don't like, but playing both sides, that's what we do like when we trade. Sorry for the stupid ass references. Can't help myself. Gotta have fun, guys. Gotta have fun in life. Life's too short. Nice wick off of that zone so far. Really want ES to push lower, though, and hit that demand zone. I just got a notification. NASDAQ hit that level. Because I said notification on here in case I wasn't trading. Yo, yesterday, man, I'm telling you guys, I was mobile trading. And you guys could check the Discord. Because I was calling out the trades I was entering. Those things went crazy. Let's see. From... No. Really? Okay. That's cool. That's fine. Don't work. Don't work Discord. I'll scroll then. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, this was yesterday. Good stuff. Killed it yesterday. Literally mobile trading. I saw this wick off of a broken supply zone, which is exactly what I was looking for today. And that thing banked for me. Look, I said right here, 1042. I want to pull back and retest of this zone, right? And then we got the pullback and retest of this zone, and I entered like I said I would on the wicks. I entered on the wicks on that trade. I'll show you guys that. Let's see. It was right. So the zone was here. It's broke. I deleted it now because it was old. But the zone was right here. I got in on the wicks near this key level as well. And look at that thing explode. That was so good. All right, back to whatever the Nasdaq thinks it's doing. Come on, ES, go make your way downtown. Might take ES along there if it holds that demand zone too. Come on, Bears, push is a bit lower. Okay, ES. Okay, Nasdaq. All right. Do I trade a different Apex account now, or do I keep going on the cash one? Equity's super weak right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we just kept selling off right through this. Alright, so there's ES in that demand zone. So now we'll be patient for how we close, and I'll be patient looking for a good setup. 20 seconds. If we start to wick back up in these last 20 seconds, I'll grab some long position stop loss at the bottom of the candle. But I really did want this 16096 level to go long. So if Nasdaq could push lower while ES holds this zone, that'd be great. Nice, look at that. And what did I just say too? I said that's a good zone to probably scalp. I'm not jumping in longs right away. I'm just not. Because if ES breaks this demand zone. Give me one more push lower, I'll jump in a long. I'm going to go with Nasdaq because that's the zone I wanted to go in long and I want to follow my trade plan. This trade would be this trade is a 9-to-1 risk to reward, risking about 200 to make about 2,000 if we get that entry point. Remember, guys, bulls have been strong today. Although bears wicked us lower. Damn, I missed that entry, guys. That would have been a perfect entry. It was exactly what I wanted. So I'm just waiting. I'm not chasing it up here because that sways my risk to reward. Good, come on back down. Strap some bears before we reverse, huh? And look, if we grabbed an ES, if we did do ES 45, 76, 50, that we would have caught the bottom of ES today, guys, so far. Would have caught the bottom. Who catches the bottom like bullish bears does? No, I'm just playing. We will. That's how we do. Come on, fall back. Come down. Come on down. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on down. It's your turn on The Price is Right. We need you to come down to 16,098 so you could get your chance to win a brand new car. Stop loss at 16,086. Equity's looking weak again. Be careful on this long entry. Apple looking crazy weak, like silly weak. Might reconsider this long. Let's wait and see. 2 minutes in this 5 minute. We do have some time for the candle to close. Give us that push lower. Let's see. Got you. I see. That's why I'm still rooting for them Bulls. Bulls have been doing fantastic lately. But Apple with that weakness right there. Equity's trying to bounce. All right, I'm gonna look to enter. I really don't want to risk that much on this trade, so I'm gonna be really patient on the entry. Really try to enter at this level right there. That's true. That is very true. Alright, I'm watching my entry on this, guys. Be careful. Oh, no. Yo, it filled me, then it hit my exit immediately. What was that? I'm getting back in, though. I want longs on that. That was a horrible fill, and then it messed up my exit. Now it's time we bounce. This is exactly the area I wanted us to bounce, guys. 30 seconds in this 5 minute. If we break right through it, I'm just out of this trade, no problem. Is what it is. "15 seconds, need that apple bounce." My entry point is now down here. 5 seconds. Nice. No, that's it. That's what I was looking for. That's nice. That's nice. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go, baby. Remember, guys. Let's see. A double bottom? I don't see the double bottom. Where? Oh, be careful on these longs, actually. Got you. What time frame? Got you. I don't really see a double bottom on the 1 minute. I just see morning star pattern. Ooh, I don't like where that is. Come on, give us that push right through. Get back in town. Bulls are back in town. Get Bulls back in town. Entry 16087 on this trade. Does look like Bears want to take a step back in this. Apple does have some buying pressure though. I'm being patient on this. This was from my trade plan. So I want to be patient because if this trade sets up really nice and does work out and we do make our way back to highs, we're going to have like 100 points to go. Like, that's insane. So I'm going to be patient on this trade. I got a good entry. If we reverse here, that's all that matters. Nice pump. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Golf clap. Golf clap. Let's go. Very nice. Very nice. Apple popping. Very nice. Very nice. VIX dropping. Very nice. Oh, keep going, baby. Keep them bears in the dust. Very nice. 15 minute. What's a 15 minute looking like? Ooh, I like that 15. Oh, yo, guys, I like that 15 minute a lot. Ooh, what's that 30 looking like, though? 30, don't care for. 15 is what I like. I want us to close above this level right here, which we're failing right now. Right there. There we go. I want us to close above that level. So on the 15, we have a nice candle on that. Bears stepping back in. Bulls are strong on Apple, though. Nvidia pretty weak. Tesla sort of weak. Be careful. Be careful. I'm staying patient. Minute 50 left. Staying patient. I'm going to check the flex. I'm going to check. Look at time and sales. Level 2. How's volume looking? Buyers are stepping back in. Sellers are stepping in. Just hit the tape. Maybe people stopping out. Let's see. Good volume coming in. I like that. Come on, NASDAQ. Get that push. Get that push. Bid and ask. We're just keeping an eye. Staying patient. Minute 12 left. Chopping around up here. Now, I could exit my position up here and lock in some gains, right? Because that would still be a good maybe 2-to-1 risk to reward based on my stop loss. However, I know where my stop is. I could make this a no-lose trade, and I want to really try to let this winner run. Because if this does turn into a good 15-minute setup as well, we're going to have a really good follow-through on this. 45 seconds left, too. I mean, this is looking good, guys. There we go, buyers. Love that. Love that. Love that. Staying super patient. Dude, let's go. Wow. 20 seconds left. Yes, is holding this trend line right here. This trend, the falling wedge on the rising wedge, I mean on ES, sort of does make me want to exit this trade right here to just lock in the gains because it does feel like we want to continue bearish. But we got the close where I wanted on that 15-minute, so I'm staying in this trade. I do feel like we're going to see pullback though first. Listen, market, you pull back, I'm doubling down. That's how this is going to roll. Then I'm going to just make more money with you, market, so it's up to you. Stop loss right now is right near the bottom of the previous 15-minute candle low, right? So that's going to be right near the 16,084. Come on, bulls, you know you want it. Yes, sir. Looking at a huge day today. Holy cow. What time is it? 10:32. Nice. People stopping out of their shorts. A lot of volume hitting. A lot of red on the tape right now. Come on, ES. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's run it up. Run it up. Run it up. Nice. Huge. There we go, ES. There we go, ES. Give us that push. Give us that run. Give me that run for my money. I'll move my stop to break even. Just make this a no-lose trade, because why not, guys? Come on now. It's too easy. Money on this. Money on this. Let's go. Huge. Holy cow, guys. That's insane. Oh my goodness. Keep going, baby. How are equities doing? I need strength on equities. Apple's strong. Equities look okay right now. Definitely considering exiting this right here to lock in gains, because, oh, nice, nice. Because there is a chance we pull back here. We have to see. We have to wait and see. If it blasts through this level, though, I'm going to stay in it. Just like that. Just like that. But that might be where the stop hunt is. There we go. Apple with some strength. Meta with some weakness. Need Meta to start popping higher. Come on, let's go Bulls, guys. Look at this go. Oh my god. First we ran the Bears down. Now we're running with the Bulls up. Oh my goodness, this is huge. I'm nearing a 2K on the day on this account. Holy cow. Probably like 300 away. 20, 10, like 15 points away. Nice. VWAP. VWAP's target. Apple with a pump. I like apple pumps. I like apple pumps and I cannot lie. You other apples can't deny. Could have, would have, and should have doubled down. Been in more contracts. Only in one right now because I didn't really want to play with profits that I had, so that's okay. Still a stupendous, stupendous day. I mean, look at this go. No loose trade. We're chilling on this right now. Apple pumping higher. Definitely want to exit. Yeah, I was thinking of exiting up there. Let's see. Gonna let bulls try to do their thing. What's the VIX doing? VIX is trying to drop. 46 seconds left. Now, guys, I usually use broken demand zones as areas to get short, so I'm really being careful on this current candle. $30 on the 5-minute. Apple with some selling pressure. Same with Meta. A lot of selling pressure on equities right now. Yep, there's that selling pressure. Uh-oh. Oh, man. The market heard me. It was like, oh, shoot, Kevin's happy. Dump it. Dump it now. Nah, it's, I don't know, guys. I just feel like we do want to go higher on this. Staying super patient. I feel like I should take profit at this 30-minute demand zone that broke. Oh, yeah, there's that weakness on Apple. Yeah, equities aren't looking too good here, guys. I have my sell limit on, yeah, that's not good. On 16,112. 16,112. Sort of looks like we want to reverse here, actually. I'm staying patient, though. I'm not going to reverse. In fact, part of me wants to double down. Nope. Still green on this trade. Because the entry was so fire. But, bears are just dropping us right now. So let's see if we want to bounce back up. Staying patient. Apple weak. Really not a fan of this for bulls. It's not letting me mark my entry point because of the magnet thing. But it's right here. Just so we could be a little accurate. Nice. See, that's why I didn't want to reverse, guys. Can't chase. Now the question is, was this the pop? Was this the pullback? And now are we going to get the real run? That's what I'm thinking, guys. That's what I'm thinking. I'm staying patient. I do think we run here. Let's make this money, guys. Holy cow, no way. Damn, yep, it's having trouble. 220 left in the 5-minute. Equities are trying to bounce. Very choppy. Very choppy. Minute 57 left. Apple bouncing around. Just had a little bit of buying pressure. Now it's getting hit with some selling pressure. Yep, Apple selling. Definitely want to. I'm really considering grabbing another contract down here because it does feel like a fake out before we do pop back higher. But I might wait for the 5 minutes to close because if it's not, then I'll just take a very small loss. And 120 left in the 5 minute. Staying patient. Apple with some selling pressure though. Might see a bit of a push lower. Look at that. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. Minute left. That's alright. Apple pushing lower. That's okay. I'm gonna grab another contract. I'm longer now. Entry points up here. $27 left. Really need buyers to step back in. If they don't, we're gonna flush and take this loss. Yeah, like that. Come on, Apple, don't do this to me. Two seconds. Nice, good eye. See, that's why I don't like moving averages too, though, because I feel like it gives us, like, it helps give us reasons to not be in a trade or to get into a trade. When it's like, I don't know. I'm just not a fan of them. Not a fan of this. That's what I'm not a fan of, this trade. I don't see any reason to take a loss right now. So we either bounce or we're just out of this trade. Mm, 1 minute does not look good for bulls. Bouncing, we're tight, we're bouncing. Be careful, have your stop losses in. I think bears are just going to take it. Alright, I'm out of one contract. Oh, that stinks. Oh, super stinks. Oh well. Maybe we double bottom down here. Probably shouldn't have stopped out. Knew it was stop hunting on that, guys. So we got 320 left in this 5 minute. We wait, see if we get another push lower to re-enter. Actually, Tesla looks good for shorts. Maybe we could scalp it short, but down here's where I wanted to go long, so I'm really just staying patient. Yo, you guys use TradingView when you trade? Or are you guys using Trade08? TradingView, is your TradingView laggy today? Mine's like super laggy today. I can't hear you. Alright. Bulls look like they're trying to step back in here, but Bears have stayed in control lately. Okay. On TradingView or Trade08? Gotcha. See if Bears want to dump it here. Apple week. Equities keep popping. Definitely thinking Bulls want to step back in here. Yeah, if we do turn around here, Bulls are going to take it, and we're going to go full speed higher. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. Good trades today. Definitely a great short position. Sorry we got chopped up with this. I will catch you guys soon. No problem. If you guys got any questions, definitely let me know. Be good, everybody. Be good. Peace.